Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, yes, I will be decorating this cake. You just saw the pictures. Let's do this together. First, I've already made the cake, covered it, just the design, and I want you guys to design with me. Please, if you're just coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends also. This is what I'm going to use to cut the designs. Guys, if you are still watching me, please don't forget to subscribe. Drop down your comment below. Let me know where you're watching me from. My cake is ready. Guys, how do you see this cake? Drop down your comments. Drop down your comments. Yes, so this cake is perfect for boys.